Academic credits earned by the student will be deposited to APAAR or ABC account. The student will be awarded the degree by redeeming the credits. Hence, APAAR or ABC ID has been made mandatory for the admission process and other university-related procedures. APAAR is Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. Its motto is One Nation, One Student ID. APAAR or ABC ID is a unique and permanent identification number for every student in India for storing their academic records securely and digitally. Visit www.digilocker.gov.in. If you already have a DigiLocker account, then sign in. If you don't have a DigiLocker account, then click on Sign Up button and register. Fill the details for creating DigiLocker account. You have to set a 6-digit security PIN and remember it for future use. Verify mobile OTP. Enter the OTP received in your mobile. Verify Aadhaar. Enter your Aadhaar number and click on Next button. Verify Aadhaar OTP. An OTP will be received in your Aadhaar linked mobile number and click on Submit button. Now you will be logged into your DigiLocker account. In the search document menu, scroll down to Education and Learning. There you can find menu of Academic Bank of Credits. Click on APAAR or ABC ID menu. Fill the details and get your APAAR or ABC document. In the identity type, select the none value and click on Get Document. You can see the 12-digit APAAR ID here. By clicking on it, you may download and print the APAAR ID card. Then submit it to the college.